Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it.
Hey wig lovers, welcome back to another wig installation. Today we are gonna be installing her from Wiggins Hair. So I'm not gonna say much, just watch this because trust me baby, perfect. So y'all, we got a wig from Wiggins Hair. And let's check out the packaging to see what it's giving. So as you can see here, it says Wiggins. So let's see. Of course, we got the hair. We got some lashes. We got an edge brush. We got a wig band. We got some HD lace cap. And we got a bag from Wiggins. It is 24 inches, 13 by 4, and the cap size is medium. And this is a real HD lace, so let's check it out.
I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door.
Y'all, just look at this hairline. Pre-plucked, pre-bleach, ready to install.
I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. That you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step, one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, it's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave this. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. You're trying to leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh, how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand, y'all will make the hands like this. Y'all make the bounce like this. You gotta know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs.
Yeah, so if you want to shop this hair, this is from Wiggins Hair, and trust me when I tell you guys, this is a real HD lace, true to length. This is 24 inches long. The melt is perfect, the hairline is perfect, pre-plucked, pre-bleach. Where can you find this? Nowhere else but Wiggins. So get straight to it, y'all. Get straight to it. Get straight to it.
That I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.